In this video right here, I'm going to show you how you can move your Coinbase assets to a Ledger Nano X, just like this. And right below this video, I do have a link where you can go ahead and purchase your Ledger Nano X for security purposes. So you definitely want to have this so you can store your assets in a very hardware wallet. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. My name is Shelton. Welcome to this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more information, because this is the place for investing to businesses. Go on your YouTube channel and just learn something new today. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. So I'm logged into Coinbase right now. If you don't have access to the Coinbase, you also can click on the links below this video in the description box, and you can go ahead and enroll in your Coinbase account. Now I'm going to go to Ethereum. So we're going to use Ethereum as an example for this. And so we're going to go right to Ethereum. So let's go to Ethereum. So this is the Ethereum right here. And this is the Ledger Nano X I just told you about. But I'm going to actually log into the Ledger Live, which looks like this. Looks just like this as well. When you get to the actually Ledger Nano X, you'll have to download the Ledger Live app on your phone or on your desktop as well. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into this and show you how to do this. So right now I'm going to go ahead and purchase $10 worth of Ethereum. For this an example, I'm going to purchase $10 worth of Ethereum. Just like this. So this is on Coinbase. So we're going to take Coinbase, move our Coinbase Ethereum to the Ledger Nano X hard wallet. So it's already $10. And let's see if it's already on there already. So wallet, let's see. Let me go ahead and refresh it. And there it is. So we bought $10 worth of Ethereum, which is technically $9.99 is with the fees, but $9 is what we have. So we're going to send this to our Ledger Nano X. Now, I'm going to log in right now before I do this. So I'm going to log out. I'm going to show you how to do this from the beginning. And so I'm at the portfolio. And so here, I'm going to pick out of that. I'm going to go right to the Ledger Live. Remember, you download this. You can download this on your tablet, your laptop. You also can log into your Ledger Live on your desktop as well. So I'm going to go ahead and log in like so. Okay, so this is a test account. This is the Ethereum site right here. And so basically how it works is pretty much I already had Ethereum already in my account of the Ledger Nano X. But if you need to add the account, you can go ahead, add an account, and you can find your cryptocurrency, Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin. You actually can do Dogecoin now on your Ledger Nano X. Let me see. Look at all these you can. Look at all these that you can do now. And you can actually type it in as well. So if you're looking for Doge, you can just type in the DOG there. So that's how you add an account. So you add the account, and then you have to connect your device together with that. So once I add the account, then I would have to log into my actual Ledger Nano X, and I'm doing that right now. It's a password that you put in here, and you'll learn all about this once you get your Ledger Nano X or S. I say get the X. So I'm logging in right now. Look at this, and it should be good to go. So it says basically it's setting up, and it's install the Doge app. And then that's what, I just did the Doge to kind of show you an example for how to add in an account and allow Nano X. So let me just do this, and voila, Doge, it's been installed. Click on install. So it's installing right now. So the Doge account is being installed as in right now. So finish install. While that's doing that, I'm going to go back to where we were before. And so I'm going to get this ready to go. So I'm going to move over. Let's see. I'm going to go over to Ethereum. I'm going to send all. And remember, it says mobile, email, or address. I'm going to get the actual address from the Ledger Nano X, but I'm going to get it from the Ledger Live that we downloaded from. So since the Doge is already installed, because I wanted to show you that as well. Since that's getting installed, I'm going to go to Ethereum and click on receive. Once I click on the receive, it's going to give me the information. So now I have to go back to my Ledger Nano X. At the corner here, you see we're setting up your Ledger Nano X, and it's going to give me the address. I can get the QR code right here or the address. I'm just going to get the address. So I can get rid of that. I copy that, paste it, and I'm going to send this to my Ledger Nano X, or from the Ledger Live, or to the Ledger Live. I'm going to send now, and then now it's giving me a 2-step verification code. So then I got to go on my phone, because you set this up when you set up your Coinbase account. And I'm going to get the coin. So 8577467. So 8577467. I'm going to confirm that. So that is being sent. So done completely. So then I'm going to go back here and verify the address. Approve. Done. And so now you should see that being sent to my Ethereum address momentarily. So bam, you see that? And you see this right here. It happened. See how quick that was? April 29, 2021. And receive right here. And this is it right here. This is from Coinbase. This is what we send. This is it. That was quick. See how quick that was? Oh my goodness. So that was pretty quick. So if I go back to my Coinbase, if I refresh this, refresh it, it will say pending. It actually says pending, but if I go to the Ledger Live, it already showed that it's actually there. So not confirmed, but it's on its way there. So you just saw it right here. So that's how you move. It's really simple, very simple. I just did the Ethereum. I purchased an Ethereum, $10, with about $10 worth. And then I just pretty much took the address from the Ledger Nano, Ledger Live. I keep saying I'm saying the wrong thing. Ledger Live from here. And I just sent it there. And how I received it, I just put receive, and I able to set it up. And that was it. That was it all. It was that simple. It was really that simple. And then here, let's see the Doge. I'm gonna go back to the Doge. See if we can do the Doge. I think the Doge was able to add that on there as well. So make sure the Doge is on there. So remember, we did the Dogecoin add an account. So we're doing that right now. It should confirm that. So it takes a couple of seconds. We'll just Dogecoin, add an account, close, and there it is. There's the Dogecoin. So we added a Dogecoin account. It's really simple and really easy to do. Click on the add account, and then you find your cryptocurrency. And then after that, you use your Ledger Nano X to basically set it up. And that's being plugged into your computer, and it's usually USB drives. But once you get the Ledger Nano X, which is actually right here, it walks you all through the process. And I advise you to get this because it's very secure, and you can take it with you need to go, and it's really easy to use as well. So definitely click on the link below to get your Ledger Nano X. Sign up, keep your cryptocurrency safe. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and click on the link below. Get your Ledger Nano X and get your Coinbase account set up. My name is Adam Shelton. I'll see you in the next video.